Welcome everyone. Today we are discussing ISO 20000, the globally recognized standard for IT service management. Why is this standard essential for organizations? So we have broken down the 7 key reasons, and in this slide we are going to discuss in detail the first 4. So firstly, the reason is credibility and market position. ISO 20000 help organizations and businesses to stand out, demonstrating their commitment to delivering high quality IT services. Second reason is the boosting of productivity and efficiency. With the help of a structured IT service management practices, you can reduce incidents, improve service reliability, and enhance resource utilization. Thirdly is the customer satisfaction. Organizations can align IT services with business needs, ensuring consistent service delivery that is valuable for your customer. So next is the benchmarking and improvement. So ISO 20000 enables businesses to compare their IT processes against the international benchmark, identifying areas for improvement. So this was all for this slide, and moving on we will discuss the 5th, 6th and 7th reason why is the ISO 20000 is essential for organization. So the 5th reason is strategic alignment. ITSM ensures that IT services support broader organizational objectives, leading to seamless operations. So in this way, they basically align the ITSM objectives with the overall strategic objectives of the organizations. The 6th reason is the optimize IT cost. Effective service management minimizes the waste and improves return on investment. So in this way, you basically have a reduced cost and optimized operations. Finally, the agility and innovation. So ISO 20000 equips IT team with the flexibility to adapt and innovate, preparing them for the future challenges. Thus, by implementing ISO 20000, organizations can strengthen their IT service management, improve efficiency, and build lasting trust with stakeholders. So let's explore how businesses can leverage this framework for long-term success in the subsequent lectures.